Good morning, everyone. Today we are in the first session, and our topic is your topic, your opinion. So my topic is girl education. As we all know that India is the second largest country, where in some fields we are equal to other countries. But if the topic come to girl education, then we are lagging behind. The literacy rate of women is very low. It has developed over decades, but it is still low and we need to work on it. Girl education is the vital aspect for nation's development and growth. It is a fundamental right of every girl to get education for the nation's economic growth. The education is an important tool to make informed decisions about life's well-being and health. It helps to develop skills, confidence among girls and everyone. Girl education is also important to reduce poverty, child marriage, teenage pregnancy, etc. Girls, if we see from the ancient times, girls are discriminated in every field. They are supposed to be. They from the ancient time they are just supposed to be at home. They don't need to go anywhere. Despite many importance of the girls' education, there are significant barriers like child marriage, early dropout from schools, poverty, etc. Government has launched many programs for the upliftment of women and girls in the society like Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamikta, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. But if it depends only on government for the upliftment and for promoting girl education, it will not be enough. It is a need of the society that all should come forward to promote this, so that our nation's national income growth and GDP all will enhance. So at last I would like to conclude my topic by saying that girl education is the most critical and utmost need of the society for the upliftment of society, and to make them socially, mentally, physically all strong. It is the need of the society, and we all must come forward to protect our girls' child. Thank you.